What's your favorite car, baby?
Gray.
The gray, my car?
Yeah.
That's your favorite car?
Yeah.
Good job. High five. Oh yeah, found it.
Oh yeah.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat. In today's video, we are going to check out a car meet. There's going to be a bunch of exotics. It should be a lot of fun. I got the whole family loaded with me. Say hi, Madison.
Hi.
Let's go have some fun. We're out here. Look at this paint.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Wow.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
I wanna feel alive, feel the blood inside my veins. I wanna slow the time, will you slow it down with me? I think I need to find what what it means to be okay. It's broken by design, can't live life without some pain, yeah. And I know I'll keep running, no, I'll be something you won't see me coming. I grow, I keep punching, I grow, I keep hunting. No, I need nothing, supposed to be something so close to me. Jumping out in the worst kind of way. You took all of my time and didn't give it back to me. Wasn't enough, and I don't know what to say. You wanna fall in love, but don't wanna feel the pain. And I'm so low, cause I don't know if I'm alone, if I'm unknown. But I won't go, no I won't go. You ain't never gonna slow me down, cause I feel alive now. I'm gonna go insane. Always on the grind, but still everything's the same. I'm sick of wasting time, wish I didn't feel this way. But with this kind of mind, I will figure out my lane, yeah. It's the highs and the lows, the change and the woes. All the fame on the coast and the pain no one knows. I want the time just to slow, my mind's feeling low. Say I'm fine, but I know that I might be alone. In the worst kind of way, you took all of my time and didn't give it back to me. Wasn't enough,
The Supra.
and I don't know what to say. You wanna fall in love, but don't wanna feel the pain. I'm so low, cause I don't know if I'm alone, if I'm unknown. But I won't go, no I won't go. You ain't never gonna slow me down, cause I feel alive.
You want to come with me? Can you say hi? What's your favorite car, baby?
Gray.
The gray, my car?
Yeah.
That's your favorite car?
Yeah.
Good job. High five. Oh yeah, pound it.
Oh yeah.
Exposed. No intercooler? What? It says turbo on the back? That's not right.
right, you guys, we are all done with the meet. It was a great time. There was a lot of beautiful cars out. The Lamborghinis were beautiful. That SVJ, that blue SVJ was absolutely beautiful. It had to be my favorite car there, besides probably that red Viper ACR and that black ZR1. Those are beautiful cars. Two of my dream cars right there. With that being said, that's going to conclude today's video, so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what your favorite car was. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next. And like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time.
Did you say
Maddie.
rudely?
Maddie, say bye.
Bye.
Did you say rude?
I'm out.
Yeah, boy.